You know, Mommy once said, Ozi, imeli kweshinime. It's 9:57. Ima, come and brush your teeth so that me and Wisdom can make breakfast.
Okay.
I'm gonna receive. Wait, Mommy. Good work. This is fair, but what fruit is it?
I don't even know what line is. Wait, not line. One line. I'm gonna kill some Serena.
Wow, it's giving French toast. Oh, and then Emmanuel's gonna actually taste the butter on the bread. You know what? I'm copying it with stuff. It's genius. Yeah,
Happy. Please stop.
Come on, show that. That's so cute.
What that in you? Separate.
Yeah, we do that. Ima, you can actually taste the butter, right? I'm doing that. Do it, it's mine!
Do it for everyone.
Honey. Oh, cool leadership. Go.
It's time to get busy, guys. Yeah, before Mommy starts shouting at us. You know, Mommy once said, Ozi, imeli kweshinime. So let me go and do my stuff before she shouts at me, guys. Mommy once said, Wisdom, isala bathroom, maka achoromia called the sparkling clean. I'm off, guys.
Mommy once said, Daniel, erase all the windows in their house. So I'm off, guys.
You guys, Mommy once said, Emmanuel, Ipiakwashala Uwegi. So let me do it right now before she shouts at me.